Welcome back to Abyssale 101. Today, I'll show you how Abyssale's sharing feature can give complete autonomy to non-designers while maintaining perfect design control. Imagine this: your social media team instantly creating on-brand campaign visuals without design skills. Your regional offices adapting global campaigns to local languages in minutes. Your clients making last-minute edits to their promotional materials themselves, all without compromising design quality or brand guidelines. That's the power of Abyssale's sharing capabilities. It empowers everyone to create within carefully defined boundaries. Let's dive in. First, locate the design you want to share in your project dashboard. Next to each design, click the three dots to open the drop-down menu and select Share Design. In the window that opens, you have three sharing levels to choose from. All workspace members, perfect for giving access to your entire team. Project members, limits access only to people involved in this specific project. Public, creates a link accessible to anyone, even without an Abyssale account, ideal for external clients. You also have two essential permission options. Comment, allows users to leave feedback directly on the design, perfect for the revision process. Quick generation. This powerful option lets others create variations of your design while respecting its structure and brand guidelines. To maintain control over your shared design, configure the layer permissions. Click Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar and find the Layer Configuration section. For a truly customized generation experience, Abyssale offers advanced layer configuration options. Toggle the green buttons to determine which specific layers will be editable. For example, allow text modifications but lock your background images or logo to preserve brand consistency. You can also check Create Predefined Content for this layer to define a specific set of values or text options. This works for both text and images. When using Quick Generation, users can simply select one of these predefined values from a drop-down menu instead of typing free text or uploading a new image. This option is perfect for ensuring the use of approved text or compliant images. If you check Disable Text Decorations, users can modify the text content but not its appearance. This lets you preserve the visual integrity of your design while allowing content changes. The Allow Hiding Layers option lets users make certain layers invisible during generation. This is particularly useful for creating variations with or without specific graphic elements. When you or someone you've shared your design with opens the link, they'll see a clean, intuitive interface. On the left, they can see and switch between different formats of your design. The center showcases the design itself, and on the right, there's a dedicated space for comments. If you've enabled comment permission, interacting with the design is straightforward. Click anywhere on the design. Type your message in the text box that appears. Click Send to post your comment. Once the issue is resolved, click Resolve Thread to mark it as complete. And if the design is animated, you can even leave a comment at a specific moment in the animation. At the top of the interface, you'll notice two tabs: Comment and Generate. Let's explore the Generate tab. This is where Abyssale truly shines. When recipients click on the Generate tab, they enter a streamlined version of Abyssale's editor. Here, they can only modify the layers you've made editable, giving them creative freedom within your carefully defined boundaries. This is incredibly powerful for numerous scenarios. As an agency, share designs with clients so they can generate their own variations without compromising your carefully crafted layouts. As an event organizer, let attendees create personalized badges or certificates using a branded template. As a marketing team, empower local offices to adapt campaign materials to regional languages and cultural preferences. As a franchise owner, allow individual locations to customize promotional materials while maintaining brand consistency. You can view every generation made from your shared designs in the Generated Visuals tab within your design file. This gives you complete visibility into all variations created, allowing you to track usage, ensure quality, and maintain oversight of your templates. This self-service approach can reduce design request turnaround from days to minutes, freeing your creative team to focus on high-value work rather than endless variations. Thanks for following this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch all our upcoming tutorials on how to free up your creativity and save time with Abyssale.